Morning. My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, a teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've worked probably, 10,000 cases. I've been on all the major news outlets stating opinions and views on different platforms that IRS uses. And some of the favorite thing I do actually is make YouTubes for the do-it-yourselfers. It's like its own niche community. You're like Home Depot. You like to figure it out yourself, and I don't know. It's kind of cool. I do answer all my questions, most of them. The ones that are nice, it's you hit the road. So today I want to talk to you about the IRS tax debt forgiveness program and the name of it, really. The tax debt forgiveness program really has an eternal name, and it's called the Offer and Compromise program. Offer and Compromise. Two forms. You can file an offer and compromise with the 656, that's the offer form itself, and the 433 OIC, which is the IRS version of their financial statement for the offer. TV and advertising, radio has driven a lot of these national tax debt forgiveness programs. There's a new program. It's called the Fresh Start Initiative, and all this da 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 da. You know, a lot of that really it's nice. It's advertising. It's a bunch of crap. At the end of the day, the offer program, the Offer and Compromise program, has been around a long, long time. I worked the program. I taught the program. I accepted offers. I denied offers. I taught the veteran agents how to work offers and compromise. So I just want to go over, first of all, to let you know, the National Tax Debt Forgiveness Program is called the Offer and Compromise. Offers are not easy to get through. All the United States last year, I think 18,000 offers were accepted. About 80,000 offers were probably rejected for various reasons. Your tax professional is going to be the best person to get the offer through. It's a pain in the ass form, pain in the ass documentation. I'm not telling you not to do it. On small cases you should, because you're not going to be able to afford the fee of a true tax professional to do the work. The first thing you want to do is you want to understand the program and not give your money to anybody, until you know you're a candidate. IRS has a tool called the Offer and Compromise, a pre-qualifier tool. I suggest you take it. I'll walk through that with you in a minute. Don't give your money to anyone unless they walk through your financial statement. That's what we do. I look at your financial statement. I'll tell you whether it's worthy for an offer. Two things you got to know: you have to have all tax returns filed, and you got to make sure you're current in the year you're in with W-2s or ES payments. So let me just explain the program to you. IRS is going to look at two things. They're going to look at your total liquidity, and they're going to look at your income versus your expenses. You cannot give IRS an offer and compromise unless you're giving them your total liquidity and all your assets. If you were to add up all your assets, pension, house, everything, and that came up to $150,000, you can't offer IRS less than $150,000. They do discount homestead by 20%. But if you have $150,000 and all other assets, that's your base offer. It's not like, let's make a deal, I can't pay the tax, we just settle for less. They do not do that. It would compromise the entire system in the United States. Just think of it. Everyone would file, not pay, there'd be millions of offers, lines like Disney World to get in the offer, so they don't do that. The second thing that they do is they look at the value. What is your income and expenses? They take a careful look at that. IRS will actually determine what your expenses can be in four categories: housing and utilities, food and clothing, car payment, and operational cost. IRS will lock you into expenses used by the Department of Labor, average expenses in the area that you live in. You're best to look up the IRS National Program for food and clothing, housing and utilities, vehicle costs, and operation costs. They are going to keep you in those categories. Now, for medical and insurance and all that, they're going to allow you dollar for dollar. So if you want to explore the tax debt forgiveness program or the Offer and Compromise, speak to someone who's like a true expert. Show them your financial statement. It really literally takes 2 minutes to find out if you're a qualified candidate. Don't give your money to anybody unless they tell you you're a candidate. So, by the way, we take cases. I can look at them. Leave me comments. By the way, subscriptions are important. There's a subscription button there. If you could check that, that would be nice. Apparently, YouTube likes when subscriptions come, they push you up. So, ask me any IRS questions you want. I appreciate you listening to my video. All the best. Happy hunting for offers and compromise. Thank you.